Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today for Jeff in New Mexico on the Galaxy DX-47HP. Alright Jeff, we got to power all the way down, and the amplifier switch that we put in the back is turned off. Alright, let's check out over here. Hitting about a 0.2 audio, and then the power all the way up is about 1.6 or so. Peak power, 50 watt slug. It's at middle scale. Audio, about 17 watts here. Okay. Now let's bring this back all the way down again. Turn the switch on. Of course, up here we're going to change this to a 250 slug. And we'll leave that on the 10 watt scale for now because that's really needed. All the way down is 3 watts. And then I'll go up to a 100 watt scale on the top. That's 2040. And turn it all the way up and we get 30 watts. The peak power on this 250 slug, that's 100 right there. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. All right. So there you have that. Power up, power down. Let's see. What's it sound like? Put that on. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Check, check. Check, audio. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll put it on the air real quick.